Hello my beautiful viewers, hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you all how to make restaurant style Chinese platter at home. Randomly having Chinese food on restaurant is not good for our health. So making Chinese food at home is not a bad idea. So very first I'm going to make the Chinese chicken curry. And to make this recipe, here I have 500 gram of fresh chicken. Now I'm adding half teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, salt based on your taste, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 egg piece, corn flour 2 tablespoon and half teaspoon chili powder. And then mix them very well. After 10 to 15 minutes, we have to deep fry the marinated chicken in a preheated pan. Fry the chicken pieces properly until golden brown. On the other hand, in a preheated pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half teaspoon chopped ginger, half teaspoon chopped garlic, some chopped tomato and chopped onion, the fried chicken we made before, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon chili sauce, and then mix them properly. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon corn flour. At this moment, I'm adding some chopped capsicum and 1/4 teaspoon white pepper and then mix them very well. Here I'm adding half teaspoon chili powder and mix all the ingredients very nicely. So after 5 to 10 minutes, our Chinese chicken curry is completely ready. We don't need to cook it for a long time. On the other hand, to make the Chinese vegetable, we have to boil the vegetable first. And here I take broccoli, carrot and papaya. And then in a preheated pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon cooking oil, half teaspoon chopped ginger, half teaspoon chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, some chopped onion, 1 chopped capsicum and the boiled vegetable with water. And then here I am adding 1/4 cup liquid corn flour and mix all the vegetable very nicely. After 5 to 8 minutes, add some raw chili and our Chinese vegetable is completely ready. Now we are gonna make our Chinese crispy chicken. And to marinate the chicken, here I am adding 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, half teaspoon chili powder, powder milk 1 teaspoon and vinegar 1 teaspoon. After mixing all the ingredients, keep them rest for 10 minutes. Here in a bowl, I am adding 1 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper and some salt based on your taste. Now coat the marinated chicken with flour very well. Now you just have to deep fry the coated chicken properly and our crispy chicken is completely ready. And the very last, I'm gonna prepare the Chinese fried rice. Here I'm adding around 30 gram butter, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste in a preheated pan. And then mix the spices with butter very nicely. And then add some raw vegetables. Here I have broccoli, carrot, capsicum and beans. Now keep the vegetable side and add 1 mashed egg. Then here I am adding some spices too. Now scramble the egg with the vegetable and and mix them all together very nicely. After 2 to 3 minutes, here I am adding the boiled rice with the vegetable. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and mix the boiled rice and vegetables properly. And finally, here I am adding 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon fish sauce. And mix all together very nicely. Cook them for 5 minutes and the delicious Chinese fried rice is completely ready to serve. So viewers, see how easy to make Chinese recipes at home. Now you can cook them by yourself and enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.